Stay wild, MoonChild. Today we're drawing a crescent moon with feather and crystal. I would just find any two different size circles that fit for this, but I used a stencil so you could see what I was doing. I started with the inside circle and then I moved to the outside circle so you can see where it lines up for the points. And you want to pick one that you get a big enough space in the middle for where we're going to make the feathers. And I wanted that inside to have a thicker line, and you can absolutely freehand it. You could freehand the whole thing, but I was just kind of really showing you how I built it, where we have a bigger circle with a smaller circle with a thicker line to be the shadow there. And then I did switch to a thinner pen, and I'm going to put the string that the feather is hanging on, and then I put a little mark to show you this is where we're going to begin the feather. And the feather has a little bit of a curve to it, and I'm going to make like a wide A at the base of the feather and then like a wide V at the point of the feather. And this longer side, I'm going to put 4 little cuts out of it like the feathers. And so the key to this feather is that it's like asymmetrical, meaning they're not going to be exactly the same. And then this side that's a little bit shorter is just going to have 2 little notches cut out of it. And then I'll stack some beads on the feather, on the string going to the feather, and you could do really any size or shape. I just did circles to go quickly. And then for varying it, I'm going to have the crystal hanging higher. So there's the string the crystal's on. And again, it's like a A, and then I'm going to put the center line for making it a triangle going down a little farther and then connecting. So you're kind of leaving it there as a pyramid, and then as it comes down to the point, I went down longer, making those 2 triangles and just giving it a little bit of shadow and depth. And then I'm just going to add some little sparkles around it. You could add any little stars, dots, or lines that you want to show that you're shining bright. And I've added an example of how I might add some color to it, but you could try all different variations of color. Enjoy.